Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The best Honda HR-V rear wiper blade is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial components for maintaining clear visibility during inclement weather, ensuring your safety and the safety of others on the road. A worn-out or ineffective rear wiper can significantly impair your ability to see behind your vehicle, especially during heavy rain, snow, or even just when dealing with road spray, making it essential to have a reliable and high-performing blade that can clear your rear windshield efficiently and quietly, providing you with peace of mind and an unobstructed view. Number 5. 5 plus 10-inch rear wiper blade. Ensure a perfect fit for your Honda HR-V, Mitsubishi Outlander Sport, Infiniti QX56, or Leaf. Simply use Amazon's Confirm Fit tool to verify compatibility with your specific model. Experience a superior clean with our Quad A grade natural rubber. The PTFE coating ensures quiet operation, a streak-free wipe, and exceptional durability. Designed to meet OEM standards, this replacement blade offers an exact fit for your original rear wiper. Enjoy the same quality and performance you expect. Get back on the road quickly with our easy installation process. You can replace your old wiper blade in just about a minute. We're confident you'll love this wiper blade. That's why we offer a 60-day free return guarantee, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. What we like. This option features Quad A grade natural rubber with a PTFE coating for a quiet and streak-free wipe. If you prioritize a silent and clean rear windshield experience, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who are sensitive to noise or want to ensure maximum visibility in all conditions. What people say. The wiper works wonderfully, and for the price I can't be upset. It's not noisy, it makes great contact with the back window, and it was easy to install. It has not had any streaking to date, and I've had quite a bit of rain in my area over the past week. Super easy to install. Fit great on my Lexus NX. Works good and no sound or streak. The wiper seems very sturdy, and I've had no problems so far through rain, hail, and 2 blizzards. It clears the rear window nicely, doesn't leave any streaks, and doesn't make that irritating squeegee squeak the old one used to. It was very easy to install, to the point where I, a person who knows nothing about cars, spent more time opening the box than actually putting it on. Number 4. AUTOBOO windshield wiper blades for Honda HR-V. Ensure a perfect fit for your Honda HR-V from 2016 to 2022. These are designed as original equipment replacements for your front and rear windshields. Experience smooth and reliable wiping in any weather condition. Our blades are built for durable performance all year round. Installation is a breeze with our easy one-click design. You'll have them on in no time, just like when your vehicle was new. This complete set includes 3 blades, 2 for the front, 26 and 18, and 1 for the rear, 10. Get full coverage for your entire windshield. Enjoy high reliability and long-lasting performance with these all-season wiper blades. They offer the same fit and function as original equipment. We stand by our product with a 12-month worry-free warranty. You can count on our friendly customer service for any support you need. What we like. This is a complete 3-pack set, including front and rear blades, offering all-weather performance. If you're looking to replace all your wiper blades at once and want the convenience of a bundle deal with a solid warranty, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for a comprehensive vehicle maintenance update. What people say. These wipers are a perfect fit for a 2022 Audi Q5. They wipe away rain better than the original equipment that came on the car new. Fit perfect and easy to install, great product. These best wiper blades for Honda Sport I ever had. Price was good metal. I love them, working very great. Number 3. 10-inch rear wiper blade for Honda, Infiniti, and Nissan. Ensure a clear view with this direct replacement rear wiper blade. It's designed for a perfect fit on your vehicle, just like the original. This wiper is specifically designed to fit your Honda HR-V from 2016 to 2022. Enjoy a streak-free clean every time. Keep your Infiniti QX56 or QX80 clear of rain and debris. This 10-inch blade is a perfect match for models from 2011 to 2022. Maintain optimal visibility in your Nissan Leaf. This replacement wiper blade is suitable for models from 2011 to 2017. No tools or complicated steps needed. You can install this wiper blade in just about a minute, making maintenance a breeze. This durable 10-inch wiper blade is built to last. It effectively clears your rear windshield, ensuring safety and convenience. What we like. This product is designed as an original fit replacement, ensuring a perfect match for your vehicle's rear wiper arm. If you value a straightforward, no-hassle installation that takes only a minute, this is the ideal option. It's best suited for owners who want a reliable, factory-like fit without any complications. What people say. These wipers fit my CR-V perfectly and were super easy to install. They work smoothly without streaking, and the rear wiper is just as good as the front ones. Great quality at a good price. Fits well, installs easily, and wipes clean with no streaks. Perfect replacement for OEM rear wiper blade for our Odyssey at a low price and high quality. Easy to install. Absolutely no streaking. Number 2. Rear wiper blade 10-inch replacement. This 10-inch rear wiper blade is designed for a perfect fit, ensuring seamless integration with your car's rear windshield. It's an exact replacement for your original wiper. Enjoy a hassle-free installation process that takes just 30 seconds. It's incredibly easy and convenient to replace your old wiper with this new one. Experience OEM standard quality directly from the manufacturer. This means you get a premium product without the added cost of middlemen. Designed to fit a wide range of vehicles, including Honda HR-V, Mitsubishi Outlander Sport, Infiniti QX80, and many more. Check our list to confirm compatibility with your specific model. We offer a 60-day free return policy, providing you with a no-risk, no-worry purchase. You can buy with complete confidence. What we like. As a direct manufacturer, this option offers a great price point and features a convenient click-and-go installation. If you're a budget-conscious buyer looking for a quality product directly from the source, this is a smart pick. It's perfect for those who want to save money without compromising on functionality and have peace of mind with a generous return policy. What people say. The rear wiper blade is a perfect fit for the Honda HR-V. It effectively clears water and debris from the rear windshield, ensuring good visibility. The blade is made of durable material and seems to be built to last. Number 1. RaidBee 10 rear wiper blade for Honda HR-V and more. Introducing the RaidBee 10-inch rear wiper blade, designed as an OEM replacement for your vehicle. It ensures a perfect fit for a variety of models. Crafted with a premium rubber compound and a corrosion-resistant frame, this blade offers smooth, streak-free wipes. It's built to last through all weather conditions and seasons. Experience optimal visibility in any weather. The precision-engineered spoiler maintains constant contact with your windshield, even at high speeds, for clear vision in rain, snow, or mist. Installation is a breeze with its OE-style clip-on design. No tools are needed, allowing you to swap out your old blade in seconds for a reliable, vibration-free fit. This versatile wiper is compatible with numerous vehicles, including Honda HR-V, Mitsubishi Outlander Sport, and many more. Check our fitment guide for your specific model. Enjoy extended service life thanks to its robust construction. It's engineered to perform reliably, keeping your rear windshield clear year-round. What we like. This wiper blade is an OEM replacement with an optimized spoiler design for consistent windshield contact, even at high speeds. If you demand superior performance and clear visibility in challenging weather conditions, this is the one to consider. It's ideal for drivers who frequently encounter heavy rain, snow, or high winds and need reliable wiping. What people say. Works great. Looks the same as the OEM. Quality seems fine, and we'll see how long it lasts. Moves smoothly across the window without skipping or streaking as I would expect. Works better and a Rain-X brand item for the exact same size and built. The quality is great. The J-hooks are super adaptable and they don't make a single noise while sliding across the back glass. Se Ajusta Perfecto a la Honda Pilot 2013. Tard un minuto en cambiarlo. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.